Hello everybody and welcome to this new Sunday cooking class.
Hi, this is Ainhoa.
And this is Fran. Welcome home everybody. So today we are going to do a dessert that I love the name. It's called Engaña Maridos. How do you translate that to English?
I would say husband cheater, but you don't cheat on your husband.
No,
you
you
just
trick.
prank him. You trick him.
You trick. The name of this comes from when long time ago when women were not allowed to work outside of the house and they were they were housewives. Okay, they would stay home, and this dessert, the name of husband tricker, or you trick your husband, is because it looks very fancy, it looks very complicated,
And it's not.
super easy.
We are making it, so it's not.
So if it's easy,
Trust us.
If we're doing it, it's because it's easy. So
Okay,
shall we?
let's go.
Let's go look for our husband tricker. Engaña Maridos. Oh, that's me. I'm the husband. No, kidding. Okay, so let me turn the camera around. We have our tulips.
I'm going to put my apron on.
What?
No, I need my apron on because
Yeah,
I'm
we're
frying.
frying. So, there we go. Easy, easy, easy. What do you need? You need olive oil, good olive oil, please. Flour, some sweet wine, can be Porto, can be any type of sweet wine, and some salt. And we already have some sunflower oil because we're going to fry them. And afterwards, you are going to coat them with sugar. And so, as you can see, this is sugar and cinnamon.
Yeah, because the dough doesn't have any sugar.
There we go.
So the thing is that this is about, what, say 100 grams. Well, I've got lots of
Sugar, a little cinnamon.
Lots of cinnamon.
Yeah.
Maybe
So-
too much. Okay, fine. So whatever.
No problem. Okay.
No problem.
So, let's do
Fine.
the dough, because the dough, it's the easy part. I mean, the whole thing is very easy.
Okay.
So,
Right. So I was wondering where is my rolling pin, but it's here. Right.
okay.
Flour.
Flour. She's got her flour.
Olive oil. You see, it's good olive oil. It's green.
It's very green.
Right. And many people use white wine. I prefer, how do you say moscatel?
Moscat. It's a sweet wine, a Spanish sweet wine.
Spanish sweet wine. And so you add it here. And the salt.
Just a
Pinch.
pinch of salt. Yeah.
Pinch.
So-
Right. So now for the dough. So you start mixing.
You start mixing. You integrate the flour, the whole thing.
It's gonna look a bit greenish.
Right. This is a very colorful olive oil.
It's olive juice, so
Olive
it's
juice.
green.
Yeah, there we go. It's olive juice, super green. So we're kind of done with it though. It's like super easy. Now just work it a little bit more, and
Right. Let me
you can get your.
get rid of my super plastic ring and take the dough. Like maybe mix it a bit more, just because. Let's see if it doesn't stick. Sometimes, like you make this sort of a
Nut size,
nut size,
and you make it very thin.
as thin as you can. Maybe smaller.
Yeah.
Let's see. This is too big. Let's make it half. I'm not sure.
What? If the oil it's hot enough.
Has disappeared.
The thermometer for the.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look in
boy.
here.
Okay. So we will have the thermometer, and it is 107. Do you need even harder?
Yeah. I needed 180.
180. 167.
So we'll make a couple.
So yeah, let's make just a couple, so we can show you guys how to do it. Okay.
So thin.
Okay. Let me come to the other side. Wait, sorry for that.
Right? One.
And the thing is that they get brown super quick. And 2. You see how...
You don't, I mean, you just need it just a while.
There we go.
Okay. Yes,
And
with
then-
this. And then you coat them.
You cut them with the sugar. Sorry. Oh,
Broke.
be careful with this one.
Oh, it's too, you have to be there for them.
Yeah.
And that's it. And this one is too brown.
Well, I like that. You know, I always like them
brown
much
things.
browner than you do.
Yeah. And that's it.
And guess what? That's all you have to do. As you can see, in nothing, in 10 minutes,
Put
you
it down, put
have
it down.
I'm going to put it to 7, 6. So you need very thin, very small, and
Yeah.
easy. I mean... Oh, did you eat one?
Yeah.
They're so good. Oops, is it too hot?
Yeah.
Let me put it
Doesn't
down.
it? I mean, it's the oil is too hot. This thing of putting sugar on fried
dough.
things is very typical.
Yeah. Okay, so guess what, our friends? Strangely enough, we are done. I mean, when we say that this is a husband tricker, it looks more complicated than it is. It's super easy to do. And as you can see, they are very good because you have the flavor of the sugar, the wine, the olive oil, the
super
whole thing.
good.
So it's very, very good.
Okay.
So, dear friends, thank you so much for joining this super quick dessert. Okay, this is put it on the side because it's steaming hot.
Steaming.
So, thank you so much for joining this week. We love you all. If you have enjoyed this this cooking class, please give us a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. We want to reach 1,000 followers in our YouTube channel, so please share with all your friends. The goal right now is to get to 1,000 followers. So,
Okay. Take care.
everybody, see you next week. We love you all.
Bye.
Adios, amigos.